First step, remove driver seat. So this bolt, that bolt with the 12mm. Then slide the seat forward. You got another bolt there and another bolt there. You can then pull the seat out and start removing the rest of these bolts. The wing nut up here, all these ones holding this in place. Then remove the bolts on the handbrake cover. These are a 10mm. And the cover will lift off. Then disconnect the handbrake connection. And remove these two bolts back here with the 12mm. And also this guy with a Phillips head. You need to disconnect the wire for the fuel cap. So you pull up that wire through there and push that red piece away so it's free. The last part is the handbrake cable, so make sure you're not on a hill. Vehicle is in first gear. Release the handbrake to take tension off the cable and then count how many threads you can see. You can try to mark this with a marker, but you might lose the position. Start by releasing this nut, followed by this guy. So hold the first nut with a spanner and then remove the locking nut, followed by the tension nut, and feed the cable back through. It's also held with a little clip down here and pull it around that. Once you start lifting, the cable will fall through and you can remove this area.